Mai, Kieran, and Claire are baking cookies together. They need 1/3 cup of chocolate chips to make a batch of cookies. They each brought the amount of chocolate chips they had from home. Mai brought 1/4, Kieran brought 5/6 cup, and Claire brought 2 cups. If the students have plenty of the other ingredients that they need, how many whole batches of cookies can they make? So in this one, the first thing that we're going to have to do is we have to figure out how many total chocolate chips we have. So to do that, we're just going to take each of these three here and add them together. So to find out how many total chocolate chips, remember when we're adding fractions, we can keep them as mixed numbers, but we have to have them as a common denominator. So to keep these as a common denominator, I'm going to multiply by 3 here and multiply by 2 here, so we can get a common denominator of 12. Now that we've added all together, we know that we have 4 and 1/12 cups of chocolate chips. So how do we find out how many batches that we can make? So we know that there's 1/3 of a cup of chocolate chips in one batch. And remember, when we're doing a problem where we know that we have 4.5 cups and we are cutting this 4.5 up into equal parts, we know it's division. So we have 4 and 1/12 cups here. Sorry, I misspoke. It's 4 and 1/12, not 4.5. 4 and 1/12 cups, and we are dividing that by 1/3. So now to divide these two numbers, we have to make them into improper fractions. So to do this, we take 12, multiply it by 4, and add 1, which give us 49 over 12. And we're dividing that by 1/3. Now that we have improper fractions, we keep the first fraction the same, we change the division into multiplication, and we flip 1/3 into 3 over 1 to the reciprocal. So 49 over 12 times 3 over 1, well, now we're just multiplying. We'll go ahead and cross simplify here a little bit, which gives us 49 over 4. 4 goes into 49 12 times with 1 left over, so we get an answer of 12 and 1/4. But let's make sure that we've read the question because it says how many whole batches of cookies can they make. So the number of whole batches that they can make is actually 12, not 12 and 1/4, because they can make 12 full batches.